Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review, today analyzing RecapioGPT, a tool that claims to summarize web articles in one click using our AI advanced model. The tool is pretty cool. I have just bought on AppSumo for $39 and I got more than they are advertising here as summaries per month, and I'm gonna show you. So I think maybe they have updated the deal to add more summaries per month, and it's pretty cool because you just need to install a Chrome extension as you're seeing here. Install it here, they're gonna be here, and it will be pretty easy for you to see any summary and to create it and to read something on the internet. So the tool costs just $39 on AppSumo, and they have already 5 positive reviews. As you can see here, we have an article called "Is Autism the Next Stage of Human Evolution?" And you can see the article is pretty, relatively big. And then what I'm gonna do is just click on the extension and it's done. The tool will automatically summarize the article. The first thing that you're gonna see is the key sentence. The tool will get from the article the key sentence. So you can already start to read here instead of reading the whole article. You will be able to open your summary, to edit, copy, save, and share. So sharing on Twitter, Facebook, etc. And here's the summary that the tool have just created. Go here, click on save for the key sentence and for the summary, and it's saved on your RecapioGPT. The tool will state the main topic and also the main arguments and the conclusion of the article. As you can see, it's fast and it works in many different languages as well. You can see your saved summaries here. In that case, I have saved the key points and the summary. So everything will be here on your summarizer. And you will be able to check your profile. As you can see here, I got, with the lifetime deal, 250 summaries per month, being able to save 500 of summaries. You will be able to manage your subscriptions as well, and to use the Recapio Summarize on the own dashboard. So just click on the URL, paste your URL here, or copy and paste your text to summarize here. You can create an advanced summary configuration, change the tone of the voice, the writing style, the original language, and the length of the paragraph. So you can opt, for instance, to generate always long paragraphs. It would be also, I think, better. So you just click here on your profile, and you can also change the length. So let's say I want a long summary. Now I'm gonna get always long summary. You will be able to create summaries with a one-click button. Just clicking on the extension or not. I have just added this on my Recapio account as well. And here's you can see also your saved summaries and key points. Overall, the key points are really good, and also the summary. You can get the whole meaning of the article just reading the summary. And again, the tool will work in many languages: Portuguese, Spanish, English, German, etc. I think it's a no-brainer on AppSumo right now. It's only $39 and you get a lot of summaries per month. I hope you liked that review. Thank you so much. Bye bye.